Welcome to the most effective and high-quality evergreen online ads mantra video training. We are so excited to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This is a complete and high-quality video training, which will surely help you to learn exactly what you need to know about online ads mantra, and why it is the easiest way ever for you to make some great money over the web by using effective online ads mantra. Let's start now step by step. These video tutorials are overflowing with strategies, resources and best practices that will radically improve the way your business uses online ads to connect with your market. Video number 1. Online Ads Mantra HD Video Training. Let's unfold the modules. Video number 2. Online Advertising, an Overview. Video number 3. An Overview of Paid Channel Pricing Models. Video number 4. How to select the right ad network. Video number 5. Create landing pages that convert. Video number 6. Steps to a successful online advertising campaign. Video number 7. Using Google AdWords for your PPC campaign. Video number 8. A guide on social media advertising. Facebook ads. Video number 9. A guide on social media advertising. Twitter ads. Video number 10. A guide on social media advertising. Instagram ads. Video number 11. A guide on social media advertising. Pinterest ads. Video number 12. A guide on social media advertising. LinkedIn ads. Video number 13. A guide on social media advertising. Tumblr ads. Video number 14. A guide on social media advertising. YouTube video ads. Video number 15. A guide on social media advertising. TrueView video ads. Video number 16. Tips for effective paid internet advertising. Video number 17. Online advertising tips for tackling discrepancies between clicks and visits. Video number 18. PPC tools to do keyword, ad copy and profit analysis. Explore the tools and tips shared in these expert training videos, which are simple yet sophisticated enough to take your digital advertising strategy to the next level, no matter where you're starting from. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.